Hi, this is another unboxing video. This time it's for Kylie Minogue's new album Tension on CD. This edition comes with a signed CD insert. Front cover, the verse with the track listing, all the details of who involved, and a message from Kylie saying thank you, and opens up like into a gatefold. Here's the CD. Here's the signed insert. Here you go. And here is a booklet with all the lyrics to the tracks. And here is a page of all the production details to all the tracks. So that was my unboxing for Kylie Minogue's new album Tension with a signed CD insert. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.